What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook. Scheduling an email is a great way to prepare messages in advance and have them sent at a specific date and time. To start, open Microsoft Outlook and click on New Email in the top left corner. This opens up a blank message window where you can compose your email. Enter the recipient's email address, add your subject line, write your message content, and attach any files you need, just as you would with any normal email. Once your message is ready, you'll now set the schedule. In the same Compose window, click on File in the top left corner. In the sidebar that appears, make sure you're in the Info tab. Here, click on Properties. A new window will pop up. Look for the section labeled Delivery Options. Under that, check the box that says Do not deliver before. This tells Outlook to hold the message until your chosen date and time. Set the date and time you want the email to be sent. After setting that, click Close to exit the Properties window, and then click Send as usual. The email won't go out immediately. Instead, it will be placed in your outbox. You can open the outbox to confirm it's there. And if you need to make any changes, just double-click the message to edit it before it gets sent. Once the scheduled time arrives, Outlook will automatically send the email. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.